Whether you're a weekend angler, a DIY enthusiast, or a tech-savvy outdoor adventurer, having the right tools can make all the difference. In today's video, we're bringing you 5 brilliant products that enhance everything from fishing trips to serious metalwork. Links to all products are mentioned in the description below. Let's get started at number 5. IGBT Plasma Cutter. This digital inverter machine is a game changer for metalwork lovers. With a clean cutting thickness of up to 12 millimeters, it delivers precision and efficiency for all your fabrication tasks. The dual voltage capability means it works virtually anywhere, while the advanced IGBT inverter ensures smooth performance. Boasting an impressive 50-amp output with LED controls, it offers fast, accurate cuts through stainless steel, copper, alloy, and mild steel. Despite its power, it remains highly portable and compact, weighing just 7.5 kilograms. Its 60% duty cycle means longer, uninterrupted sessions. Whether you're in construction, industry, or simply a home hobbyist, this plasma cutter makes quick work of heavy-duty jobs. Number 4. Svbony SV47 Binoculars. For outdoor enthusiasts, the SV47 binoculars are a perfect companion. With 42mm large objective lenses, these binoculars gather ample light, even in low-light settings, making bird watching or safari trips more vivid. Thanks to the IPX7 waterproof rating, you can trust them in rain or humid weather. The Bach 4 prisms and FMC coating ensure clarity, while twist-up eye cups offer comfort for users with or without glasses. With a wide field of view and an easy-grip focus wheel, the SV47 delivers a sharp, immersive visual experience you can carry anywhere. Number 3. Goture RED FOX. If you're into freshwater fishing, the Red Fox hand rod is a must. Made from high-density carbon fiber, this tanker-style rod is both ultra-light and incredibly strong. Available in lengths from 3.0 to 7.2 meters, it's versatile enough for various water bodies, from calm streams to larger reservoirs. Its super hard body construction makes it ideal for catching larger fish, while the X-type torsional fiber layout offers superb strength and rigidity. Add in the nylon braided handle for comfortable grip and ventilation, and you've got a fishing rod that's built for performance and endurance. Number 2. Hirisi Bite Alarm. Level up your carp fishing game with the Hirisi Bite Alarm Kit. With bright 8-color LED indicators and sensitive swingers, this set ensures you never miss a bite, day or night. The alarms are built with high-quality ABS material and include both the bite alarm unit and matching swingers in red, green, and blue. They're not just functional but also compact and easy to install on most rods, making them ideal for long carp fishing sessions or competitive angling. Whether you're a novice or experienced angler, this gadget takes your fishing awareness to the next level. Number 1. Automatic Hook Trigger. Catch fish effortlessly with this smart spring-loaded trigger hook. Made from durable stainless steel, this compact device automatically sets the hook when a fish bites. Its 12 by 4.5 centimeters size makes it pocket-friendly and great for on-the-go anglers. Setup is quick. Attach it to your rod and you're ready. Ideal for fast-paced fishing where attention might slip, it ensures higher catch rates with less effort. Whether you're out for a few hours or setting up multiple rods, this tool adds automation to your setup. That wraps up our list. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more in-depth reviews and top picks. Until next time, take care.